Hi everyone, this is Roman with Villalux, and today we're showing you a property at only 200 meters away from here, the Javea Golf Club. Let's go! Hi everyone and welcome to our latest listing. We are in the area of Los Cerezos here in Javea on the Costa Blanca in Spain, and this property, it's so peaceful and quiet. We've got the beautiful greenery surrounding us. Look at that beautiful view and the green hills right there in the distance, and this property is so close to the Javea Golf Club. It's literally a stone's throw away, so any golf fanatic, this is the property for you. Location otherwise is very good as well. We're right in between the towns of Benitachell and Javea. Javea is only a 5-minute drive away, and you're close to Moraira as well, so it's very centrally located. It's a very nice plot. It's a flat plot. It's southwest facing, so you got good sun orientation all year long. The inside looks nice as well. Let's go and check out what that looks like. So we enter the property here in Anaya, and this is such a bright room because of these large windows. And right here we have access to the outside kitchen with a large family table. The current owners have been the owners of this villa for 31 years, so that's such a long time, and a lot of love has been going into this property until this day. Now, fortunately, they have to sell it because they have to downsize, and that's the reason, of course, why we're now putting it on the market. So here we have the living room. It's a very cozy room with the fireplace, especially in the winter months. And right there you have a large good-sized kitchen, and on this level you can find 3 bedrooms. There's 2 bathrooms, of which one of them is an ensuite, and the master bedroom is upstairs. The entire level is dedicated to it, has an ensuite, and has some gorgeous views right over the golf club. Throw it back outside and let's talk a little bit more about this area. We've got this beautiful grass, there's outbuildings in the back, there is a workspace, there is an extra additional room area that you could convert easily into an extra living room if that's what you desire. And of course, I was talking about the location, it is just perfect, and the views are as well. Got the Benitachell church right in front of me, beautifully lights up in the evening, and we've got of course these beautiful green mountains, and from upstairs you can see the Mongo and the clubhouse of Javea Golf Club. So if you're a golf fanatic, as I said at the beginning of this video, this is the property for you. So let us know in the comments what you think of this property. We really look forward to see what your thoughts are. And of course, as always, if you are new to our YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button and get in touch with us for any additional information.